Fern Stitch is another useful stitch for building natural details as well as being decorative on its own. It's essentially a cluster of 3 straight stitches. You can see that it's very versatile for suggesting different types of plants. I'm now going to use it to suggest a trail of duck tracks in the snow. Bring the needle up at the top of the central line and down again at the base. Repeat the process with a stitch on either side of the first one. Begin each stitch away from the base, bringing them back to the same point to form a group. As with so many embroidery stitches, you can get distinctive effects both with detached and connected stitches, and by changing the size of the stitches. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another stitch tutorial soon. If you'd like to see more tutorials, I have a Stitch Library playlist here. Bye for now.